Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to discuss a very important topic. How would Trump winning the election affect Bitcoin, the economy, and the stock market? With the 2024 US elections fast approaching, the possibility of Donald Trump returning to the presidency could lead to significant changes in the financial markets. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the potential economic and financial impacts of a Trump victory. 1. Trump's economic policies and their impact on markets. Donald Trump implemented many controversial but also attention-grabbing economic policies during his 2016 to 2020 presidency. If he wins the election again in 2024, we can expect some of these policies to continue, particularly lower taxes, deregulation, and large infrastructure spending could stimulate the U.S. economy. Tax cuts and stimulus. Trump had provided tax cuts for corporations and relaxed tax regulations during his first term. If he wins again, these policies may be reinstated. This could boost corporate profits and lead to growth in the stock market. Deregulation. The Trump administration was known for reducing regulations in the financial sector and other industries. If this approach continues, it could create a more investor-friendly environment and bring positive sentiment to the markets. Infrastructure investments and growth. Trump's focus on infrastructure projects could support economic growth. This might lower unemployment and increase economic activity, especially in the construction sector. 2. Trump and Bitcoin. How could the cryptocurrency world be affected? Trump's stance on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies has been somewhat mixed in the past. However, his generally pro-free market and limited regulation approach could create a more favorable environment for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Let's explore how a Trump victory might impact the future of Bitcoin. Less regulation. Trump has been in favor of reducing regulations, which could extend to cryptocurrencies. With fewer restrictions, Bitcoin and other digital assets could operate more freely, potentially attracting more interest and investment. Government intervention. However, Trump might also increase government intervention in the cryptocurrency space. For example, he could focus on central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, which might pose a threat to Bitcoin. Bitcoin as digital gold. If Trump's economic policies put pressure on the US dollar, Bitcoin could gain more traction as a store of value. In times of inflation and dollar depreciation, Bitcoin could emerge as an attractive hedge, increasing its popularity. 3. Stock market and broader market impact. A Trump victory could also have a major impact on the stock market. Business leaders and investors are familiar with Trump's economic policies from his previous term, and some of them saw positive results. However, there are risks involved as well. How might the stock market react? Stock market surge. Trump's economic policies, particularly corporate tax cuts and deregulation, could lead to a market rally. This would especially benefit large companies, boosting sectors like technology, energy, and finance. His Make America Great Again plan could present new opportunities for big corporations. Consumer spending and economic activity. Trump's tax cuts and policies aimed at reducing unemployment could boost consumer spending, which in turn would increase overall economic activity. This could drive stock market growth as well. Foreign policy impact. Trump's foreign policy stance, including trade wars and protectionist economic policies, could also impact markets. Relations with China, for example, could affect global trade and influence the stock prices of multinational companies. Conclusion: Trump's victory and the future. A Trump win in 2024 could bring about significant changes in the financial markets and the economy. While less regulation might create a more favorable environment for Bitcoin and other digital assets, the stock market could see new opportunities and risks. However, Trump's policies have always been controversial, and markets would likely need time to assess the long-term effects. Do you think Trump's victory would be a positive development for Bitcoin and the stock market, or would it bring new risks? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See